In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. This is useful if you want to manage all your crypto in one place or trade directly within Robinhood. Let's get started. First, go to the crypto.com website or open the app and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your main dashboard. Then go to the market section where all available coins are listed. Choose the crypto you want to transfer. For this video, I'll choose USDT. Tap on it to view more options. Next, click Withdraw, which will allow you to send your crypto to another platform like Robinhood. Under the Wallet Address section, tap Add Now to enter a new withdrawal address. Now, when selecting the network, make sure it matches the network you selected in Robinhood. In this case, I'll choose ERC20. Using the wrong network could result in losing your funds. Finally, paste the wallet address generated by Robinhood, then confirm and complete the withdrawal. The transfer may take a few minutes depending on the network traffic. And that's how to send crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and easy guides. See you next time!